It's my sad duty today to inform you of something that came across my plate here. What we're looking at is Saturday, January 14th, 2017. We're showing a 10.3 magnitude earthquake. So it's finally happened. Finally got a 10.0 or greater than a 10.0. Just wanted to give you guys this heads up. They're not even telling us exactly where this is. Hopefully somebody else will be reporting on this. If not, just wanted to give you guys the heads up. I'd like to thank my good friend John for making me aware of this. Thank you, John. Alright, there it is, guys. Saturday, January 14th, 2017. Showing a time of 10:11:02 UTC. Be safe.